So, I'm this.
Okay. This one, make you tell us what's in the year.
Yeah, so this one is different. This one is telemem tempered grey glass.
Okay.
So when you swing, you say if you open this one, come outside, and if you just leave am, you go close back.
Wow.
So and this one, if you open and go inside, depend on your choice.
And once you lock am,
yes, and you will just lock am.
will land by itself.
I know be saying only this one dey open, so in case you can't carry something wey big, say you wan carry am enter.
Okay.
You just open this one. You just open this one. You lock am like this. So and this one, you wan hook am. So anything wey you wan carry enter, see that we have the space. So and if you like, if you open this one sef, open am, come outside anywhere. So anything wey you wan carry enter now, you go enter.
You go enter.
Yes.
So as we dey here now, we no dey fit see who dey the message.
Yes, you no go see.
But the person wey dey there fit dey see us.
You go dey see us directly for here.
Wow.
Everything wey we dey do, you go dey see am directly.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers of Edo Talks all over the world. Me when they talk, my name still remains John Osas. We dey one location for Osun State, Osogbo area to be precise, where we come monitor the work when one of our viewers give our brother. We ask our brother name, the work when in day into on the particular work when we come monitor here. So Oga, make it tell our viewers your name.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere where they watch us. My name na Bello Ayobami.
Okay, so Oga Bello, make you tell our viewers wetin you dey into.
I dey do aluminium windows and doors, and I dey do all glass work like shower cubicle, glass door, and I dey do handrail too.
Okay. So this particular place over there, so now which work you say make we come monitor?
Yeah, we can't do frameless glass handrail, and we do anti-room glass door for here, and also we do staircase and balcony. Okay. Now we can't do for here.
So what you will tell our viewers when they patronize you through this our platform and the one will give you this particular work?
All our viewers, we dey watch our platform, and the one wey dey give us work, and to the one we won't give us, we still never ready. We say thank you, God will continue to bless you. And to the person we get this one, we give us with trust, we say God will continue to bless you.
Our viewers all over the world, we join our brother say thank you. So Oga, you say the work won't come monitor here na balcony release.
Yes.
Staircase release and shower cubicle.
Yes.
Okay, so which one you want me to start from? Make you take us round.
I think we start from this balcony, this beautiful balcony where we dey see so.
Okay, so now the work, now be on this one.
Yes, now
so now you go like this.
Yes, we dey come this one on top and spike guts. You see so.
And the work, I go like this when we dey see so.
So all this balcony now, we made them with 10 mm tempered plain glass.
Okay.
You see the owner of this house, I think he don't want anything, we could just do anyhow. So you see this one now as a day, very simple and it makes sense. So now why we use them with 10 mm tempered plain glass. See I'm here and a stamped tempered glass for here, and with the top, maybe aluminium anti-rust.
Okay.
So
we get the belief say this particular work, this 10 mm tempered glass, no go break.
E no go break, nothing go do am, na so e go dey.
Okay.
Nothing go do as you don tamper now, e don strong well well.
So Oga, this one wey dey tamper and the one wey dey not tamper, any different dey?
The one wey dey no temper now, you know say this one sun go dey touch am, before you know now, as you start am from ground for here, before you know the thing go just dey break.
Okay, those one wey the one wey dey not tamper.
E go easy to break than this one wey be say na temper glass.
Okay, as a tough one, this one nothing go do am.
Nothing go do am, go just dey like this, na so e go be.
Okay. So Oga, this one how much dey go for?
This one we dey charge am per square meter, and this one na 110,000.
110,000 per
yes,
square
with
meter.
plain glass like this. If you want am like this, na 110,000. Another one still dey wey no dey expensive like this.
Okay.
But as this one dey, as you dey see am like this, na 110,000.
110,000.
Yes.
Okay. So now the owner say he need
He want am make it
this
be like
kind of handle and the accessories when follow am.
Yes, black accessory.
Okay, so other things wey you want to show.
Yes, we get another cubicle for here. So we have cubicle for here. will be made with 10 mm tempered glass. Also, this is 3 feet by 5 feet. As you can see,
3 feet by 5 feet.
Yes, this one now, the sound we did direct from factory. And if you have put your towel, if you put them for here, once you enter so that you don't go wet. And this one now, why we put this one so that it go hold this one we carry the panel wey dey open, because this place now na WC dey there. Okay. So if you say make you put door for there, e go dey disturb. So if this bedroom big like this, you need to create something wey be say space go dey, you go free to work well.
So this one too na 10 mm tempered glass.
Yes.
Silver accessory.
Yes.
So now how much this one dey go?
This one is 380,000.
380,000.
Yes.
Okay, so make we continue. If other ones was.
Yes. So we have another bedroom here too.
Okay, this one too.
So we are the same size with that one already there too. So this one also na 380,000.
This one too na 380,000.
Yes.
Okay, make we check the other one.
So the last cubicle we get for up here, and be this.
Okay, this one
yes. So this one, yeah, this one is the biggest one. This one is 4 by 5.
4 by 5.
Yes.
So how much this one they go for?
This one is 390,000.
390,000. Why different from the other ones?
Because this one is bigger than the.
Okay, this one is bigger than
the other one. If you see them for this side, you see this one are 5 feet, and this side are 4 feet.
Okay. Why the other ones are 4 by 4?
Yes. We have 3 by 4, 3 by 5 there too. So, but this one is the biggest one.
Okay. I said at 390.
Yes. Go for yes.
So this one too, they open both sides.
Yeah, the way to see them now, they open both sides. Very soft open.
Okay, so make we continue.
So we have the staircase here.
Now the staircase, and be this one.
Yes, now the staircase, now be this.
Okay.
So this one now 10 mm tempered glass, but the price of the staircase is different from the back road because this one now you need to just cut the glass, you know, go perfect.
Okay.
You need to do this one with template. So this one now with the plain glass where it be now 160,000 per square meter.
160,000 per square meter.
Yes. So this one very different from the other one. So this one now still get accessory. We hold this one now, and we go first cut template. This time all these glass dey, so we first cut template for it.
Okay.
Now make am perfect like this.
Okay. So now be all these ones when they go like this.
Yes.
I say now 160,000 per square meter. Now they go for.
Yes.
Okay, mostly from here, show our viewers, make them see the kind of work when you do for here. This one are part of the work.
Yes, now get inside.
I go like this. Okay. So now because of these extra accessories, that made that money cost?
Yes, because of the extra accessories and because of the template, now make can be like that.
Okay, the template they different.
Yes, because as it dey now, anywhere where the work dey, once you don't give us like this, we go first use more to carry the template, come cut. Now that one self, now only now one day work. Before now the template you use cut the glass.
Okay.
So now it make can be like that.
So make we continue. We will see from here, show them, may they see the beauty from this place. So now black accessory and the system you use for here.
Yes, now black accessory, black and silver. See the black be this, so the silver and be this with plain glass, 10 mm tempered.
Okay, we could continue.
So we have the last cubicle of the house for here.
Okay, this one are one of it.
Yes, and this one seven now also 380,000.
380,000.
Yes, 3 by 5.
Okay, other one see there.
Yes, we have the anti-room glass door where you put. Cause this place where we do now, this place now the main sitting room. So to enter the main sitting room, we put glass door for here.
Okay.
Put glass door for here. So I'm this.
Okay. This one, make you tell us what's in the year.
Yeah, so this one is different. This one is 3mm tempered grey glass.
Okay.
So we be swing, you say if you open this one, come outside, and if you just leave am, you go close back.
Wow.
Yourself. So and this one, if you open and go inside, depend on your choice.
And once you lock am,
Yes, and you will just lock am.
you will land by itself.
I know be saying only this one dey open, so in case you can't carry something wey big, so you wan carry am enter.
Okay.
You just open this one. You just open this one, you lock am like this. So and this one, you wan hook am. So anything wey you wan carry enter, see that we have the space. So and if you like, if you open this one sef, open am, come outside anywhere. So anything wey you wan carry enter now, you go enter.
You go enter.
Yes.
So as we dey here now, we know if you see who did the message.
Yes, you no go see.
But the first one they there, they see us.
You go dey see us directly for here.
Wow.
Everything wey we dey do, you go dey see am directly.
Okay, so make you tell our viewers this particular one how much it cost.
This one now as e dey na 5 feet by 7 feet and na 420,000.
420,000.
Yes.
Now finish am.
Yes.
Okay. So Oga, make you stay and make our viewers see your face. So we don't see the work when you do for this our viewer and get the belief saying at the best now you give am.
My God grace.
So Oga, if our viewers need you make come work for other parts of the country, Lagos, Ogun State, Oyo, Osun, Udeso, Ondo, Ekiti and Kwara, if you go there go work.
Yes, we go deliver.
So make you tell our viewers how much all this work, how much it costs.
So
this particular anti-room door, the balcony release and the staircase release, then the shower cubicle. Now like 4 shower cubicle.
Yes. So if you get something like this, maybe say you get this kind door, you get balcony, you get staircase where you wan make glass, just budget 5.5 million naira.
Okay, so this particular one, how much you use to do one?
Yes, this particular one is 5,300,000.
Okay, this one
Everything,
5 million, 300,000.
both transportation and everything.
Everything.
5.3 million.
5.3 million.
Yes.
Okay, so Oga, make you give us your phone number in case our viewers they want to chat to you.
My number na 08032349819.
Okay.
08032349819.
Okay, so our viewers all over the world, we thank you now for the time when they watch our videos and the motivation when they give us. We say thank you all and God bless.